Hello everyone, welcome to Neurasapiens.
In today's tutorial, we'll look at how to add the Greek letter Kappa to a Markdown cell for Jupyter Notebook using LaTeX Code. So the letter Kappa is the 10th letter in the Greek alphabet, and we'll start here by creating a new Markdown cell. For this cell, we'll add in the word Kappa, followed by the LaTeX code to actually show this letter, which is a backslash, followed by KAPPA, so the word for Kappa. And then to actually show this letter in a Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell, we need to add $2 symbols before the LaTeX code, as well as $2 symbols after the LaTeX code. So now when we run this cell, we have the Greek letter Kappa here centered in the middle of the cell. So this is how to add and show the Greek letter Kappa in a Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell using LaTeX code.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.